Welcome everyone. Today we are looking at the COMFEE Countertop Dishwasher, a compact and versatile dishwasher designed for small spaces like dorms, RVs, and apartments. Before we dive in, make sure to click the link in description below to get this dishwasher at the best price in the market. This countertop dishwasher is ideal for households of 2 to 3 people and can handle up to 6 place settings or 70 pieces of tableware, making it surprisingly spacious for its size. Its compact dimensions mean you can easily place it on your countertop or tuck it neatly into a cupboard. One of the main advantages of the COMFEE dishwasher is its 8 washing programs, which include heavy, normal, baby care, ECO, glass, and speed cycles, allowing you to select the perfect cleaning method for every occasion. The heavy program is particularly impressive, with 12 nozzles and 360-degree spiral spray ensuring even the most stubborn stains are thoroughly removed, while the speed program cleans your dishes in just 45 minutes, perfect for last-minute meal cleanup or hosting small gatherings. Energy efficiency is another strong point, as it meets Energy Star standards and consumes as little as 2.77 gallons of water per cycle, helping you save on both water and electricity bills. Installation is straightforward and requires only a faucet connection, with a suitable adapter, so you can start using it almost immediately. Noise levels are low at 49 decibels, which means it won't disturb your home environment. While it is highly efficient and versatile, it is important to note that due to its compact size, very large dishes or pots may not fit comfortably. Overall, this dishwasher offers excellent cleaning performance, flexibility, and convenience in a portable design, making it a strong choice for anyone with limited kitchen space. Don't forget to check the link in the description below to get your COMFEE countertop dishwasher and experience effortless dishwashing today.